Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Lynn, and I thought I would do a video for you because I was speaking with my Akashic political guide and I asked them a lot of questions and I thought you might want to hear what I received too. Keep in mind this is for entertainment purposes only and people have free will, so nothing is in stone. Thank you for listening. Today is November 11, 2020, Sharon Voice Channeling. Freedom is in the air. Joy and unity. Many are rejoicing around the globe. Peace and harmony. These things are in your future. See that. Make that your truth. Believe this in your heart and make it so. Continue to see only what you wish to see. Create only what you want. Do not give any energy to the things you do not want or see. Move forward in the knowing that we are here assisting. Things you see before you happening regarding the election are an illusion. The fact is, the people have already chosen. Eventually this will fizzle out. Be aware of the games being played. They are mind games. Nothing will change the outcome. We are helping shed the light. The ballot counting will go smoothly on the recount. More votes will be 446 in Georgia. The election will be called in good faith. 45 will have to take his defeat. He is sour and angry. He is causing havoc in the White House. People are afraid to move and speak. This will dissipate. As we told you in a previous video, he will continue flailing until he can flail no longer. It is over. Once he realizes it is over and he can do nothing else, he will prepare to leave. He will leave before the inauguration. He is very angry at the United States. He wants to leave before he can be questioned. He knows there's many lawsuits out there waiting for him. He is going to leave his children behind to deal with them. They will all fend for themselves. Putin cannot help him. He will not help him. He thinks that he is a joke, a waste of time. His finances are in a shambles. When will Biden get control? When will he get his briefing? He'll be told he can have his access in a few days by the weekend. What about Florida? Is it really supposed to be blue? And if it is, what happened? Some of the mail has been hidden and missed the postmark date. Texas has had this also. It may be a little harder to find out what happened there, but eventually it will be found out. What about Georgia? The Senate. Many wish to flip the Senate. Many will come out and participate in the vote. They are being made aware how important it is. They realize they need to get these seats back in order to have things made easier for the people. McConnell will be leaving eventually. Personal reasons. Lindsey Graham has cheated. This truth will come out too. Once Biden gets into the White House, they will see the finances, and it will take much work to correct the many mistakes and many incorrect placements of funds that have been switched around and finagled, and some have been stolen of the public's money. They have been lining their pockets, which was easy for them to do because they're all in control of the finance. They will squabble, they will lie, they will claim innocence. What about that judge, Amy? She's going to stay on the Supreme Court. She will be moved out? You mean a motion to move her out? Can you explain? She will be moved out through the allocations against her. Once the new administration is in, Biden will bring back the good, loyal employees that were fired through the Trump administration. There is a lot of action going on behind the scenes, preparing for his removal. The Trump administration is beginning to split. Many are leaving him, as we have told you in a previous channeling. They will desert him. They do not want to go down with him. They want to get as far away from him as they can. Only a few loyal subjects of his will stay. And we say the word subjects because he is acting like a king over them. He is not a well man. His mental state is awry. He will act out in such a way that he cannot be allowed to function in this capacity in the White House. He is being told not to speak because when he speaks, he only makes it worse for himself and others in his party. They all know what he speaks is false. Many are tired of him. Now let's move on to something better, like our new future. When will COVID be gone? Towards the beginning of the summer? Will it be less by March and April? Yeah, Biden's going to get it under control. Thank you. Is there any galactic news you have for me, anybody? Anything the Blue Avians would like to say to me? How's it going out on the planets now that the election's over? When are we going to be going to 5G, or are we at 5G now? Still on the wobble. It's almost over. The inauguration marks the beginning of the new future. Every day will become enhanced in a positive way. It may be slow going, but keep your faith and stay positive and watch as things unfold in a positive way. It may not be easy for those in power, but it will happen. They have a large job to do to correct all the wrongdoings that were done to your government. But they will be assisted by many very skilled people, and they will have everything back to normal, better than before, functioning in a relaxed capacity. And the military will relax also, knowing that they have someone they can trust in power. There will be a sigh of relief. Allies in other foreign countries, how are they reacting? They are happy. They all wish to rejoin and make peace. The United States will be even more powerful than it ever has been, that it has come through this, united and strong, better than before, and other countries will look up to the United States again. It'll be proud days for you that live in the United States. All people, not just those who voted for Biden. Good things will come for all people. Thank you all for coming. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when my new videos come out. I also have other self-help and hypnosis videos you may want to check out. Love, light, and energy. Blessings. Thank you for listening.